Hello everyone, our topic is how to communicate. First, I will do introduction. We are from Central Michigan University students, and my name is Chike Hong, and this is Jianing Tian and Lawrence. This is our agenda. First, I will do introduction. Second, handle. Third one, communication to customer. Fourth, communication to professional, and finally, we will do the recommendation. What is communication? For normal, the communication is at its core. Communication is the use of message to generate meaning, both written and across a myriad of cultures, contexts, channel, and medium. Through effective practice of communication, we are able to improve the cultural, social, personal, and professional experience, whether between the individual, enterprises, or even nation. For professional, encompasses written, oral, visual, and digital communication within a workplace context. We handle the language. This is a professional term. We must communicate in a respectful and polite way and tone, and similarly, language is banned in a professional communicates. For behavior, we can become a good listener during the communication in order to avoid some impolite behavior and bad manner. After starting a good relationship among those communicators, we should be able to solve problems and conflicts in other words. We must listen carefully and potentially and good know the problem and the conflicts. For nonverbal communication, skill are also very important basic verbal communication skill. Nonverbal communication include body language, tone of voice, hand gestures, and eye contact. Usually, a good friendly tone and eye contact can start a professional communication in a good way. Sometimes a warm hug is useful for a good starting of the professional communication. During the communication, we can ask for a break by an excuse and some drinks. If needed, a quick lunch should be provided for communicators. After all, the communicator accepts us to record audio and video. We can record audio and video. Notice audio and video record material of the communication must be securely kept for using. When the communication is nearly finished, we can end our communication. When it is time to end it in a polite and relaxed way, all in all, and the whole process of the professional communication is very important.
And I want to talk about communication with customer. So communicating with customer is most important part during the communication. So the difference to communicate with the customer because we are service the customer. So our way of communication should be changed. First of all, we need to know all the information all about our products, our system. Just like we are the employees who help the customers configure the SAP system. So our task is to help customer understand SAP. And when customer have the problem, we need to be able to quickly explain and let customer know the problem. So if we don't know SAP and cannot solve the customer problem, then customer will be dissatisfied. And for customers, they want good service, so they will be more satisfied. In the communication, we also need to avoid more politics behavior so that customers are more comfortable. And the most important part is the fully prepared. Become communication, we need to we need to understand customers' culture and customers' need. The most effective communication occurs when both parties understand each other. Know your audience. When the delivery message is cultural to create a meaningful connection and conversation. And for the goal of the communication, we need to let customer know our company so they can know what we do and more information of our company. And during that time, they will know of our information more, so they will trust us more. They will know what we do. And it also can cause the better cooperation. Like if you are teaching SAP system to your customer, during the communication, you will teach them better if you have a good communication. And the importance of the communication with customer, it can be understand customer needs. So in the future, you will improve your products or system or service during that time. So you will know what customer want, so you will focus on it. And also can discover our shortage. So during that time, during the communication, we can know what customer want, and we also want the customer suggestion, also have the customer feedback, so we can solve our problem and do it better. And we also can improve our communication, because communication with customer need to be more careful. So every time is a practice. It can improve your communication.
This memo aims to provide my learnings as part of my research on the importance of good professional communication for managers of information systems. Today's information system jobs call for more than excellent technical skills, because as the world of IT grows ever more complex, information systems professionals are called upon daily to explain information system applications to marketing, sales, operations, finance, and other professionals at the company where they work. From my research, I realized that very good professional communication plays an important role in the workplace for information system professionals. And some of the importance are: one, it will help the professional in question to work effectively in a group. It is seen as a desirable skill by employers. Also, it will help avoid misunderstanding. And finally, it can ensure you pick the right communication method for your audience. And for my research, I realized that for information system professionals to communicate effectively, one, they need to ask for feedback. Secondly, they should try active listening, enroll in the course if possible, and learn from others. It's a question time now. I'm waiting on your various questions. Thanks for your time.